Apisa mag Obila e kaunti ma Bungoma obago yiero mar joma biro chung'negi e riwruok maduong' mar saga mar Obila kata Kenya Police Sacco. Yiero ma kamano notelne kod apisa maduong' mar Police Sacco Solomon Asiaya kokwayo jok manoyier mondo neno chung' makare ne dwaro mag Obila go mopogore gi kedo ne ratiro margi. Bende Asiaya nokwayo Obila go mondo bed ka kungo e riwruog saga no kaka yo mar neno ni giyudo konyruok e kinde mabiro.
We had four candidates who are competing for the two positions, and we are glad we had other issues which we were able to resolve, and members were given their constitutional bylaw right to be able to exercise the right to vote and get their leaders in place so that they can be able to go and be able to do what they are supposed to do and make sure their society grows and works for them. So I take this opportunity to thank all the members who are here and even the competitors. Everyone is now happy. Yeah. And what I know is there's always next time. So for those who did not make it, next time you are going to make it.
We have interacted with you kama siko kwa ofisi, mliona. Sasa niko wapi? Kwa ofisi. Nimepewa kibali, tutafanya kazi. Cha msingi, Kenya National Police DT Sacco iende mbele, na wewe kama mwanachama na mimi paka tuwe na amani, and we have to be comfortable where we are.
Thank you for your votes. Thank you for your sacrifice. Thank you for the time that you took. I know most of you have gone without meals, but with the sacrifice that you've made, I'm sure we are going to work together. We are going to unite all members, recruit more members, and ensure that maybe we get the best dividends that we expect maybe come next year.
Jorite alura ma kaunti ma